How to clear search history on eBay application. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be discussing about how to clear search history on eBay app. So let's get started. So first thing, just open up your eBay application, and once you open it, just tap on the search bar. Make sure you are currently signed into account before doing that. So as you can see, I've already signed in, so I'll simply tap on the search on eBay option at the top, and as you can see, I've searched in for one option, that is restart main currently. And if I were to delete or clear all of this option, you can see there is a link which is right under the particular searched item. So you can just tap on the clear recent sources and just click on yes to successfully clear all of your recent sources. Or you can also alternatively just come over to your application and long press on it and simply click on I button from over here and simply head over to your storage option and just clear all the cache and clear all the data from over here. And once you do that, just restart and re-log in with your login credentials, and just like that, all of your search histories will be removed on eBay application as well. So that's it for today guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.